Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drive belt in a Frigidaire washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we are going to use a number 2 square bead screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drive belt. The drive belt in this washer transfers the momentum from the drive motor to the drive pulley, turning the inner basket. If the washer's inner basket is not turning, the drive belt could be stretched or broken. In that case, it should be checked and replaced if needed. Let's get to the back of the washer and using the number 2 square bead, loosen up the bottom screw. Then we can remove the rest of the screws that holds the access panel. And now we can just lift it off. Here's the drive belt. To remove the belt, we'll just pull it and turn the pulley. So it comes off completely from the drive motor pulley and from the drive pulley. This is the old drive belt next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start the installation with putting the drive belt on the motor pulley. Keep it tight and then put the belt on the large drive pulley and turn it to put the belt on. Hold the edge real hard or it's going to slip off. Okay, turn it several times to make sure it's not going anywhere. Both directions. Now we can install the rear access panel. Alright, now start with installing the rear access panel on the bottom screw. And I would probably do the top screw. I'm using the same number 2 square bead screwdriver. And now we can install the rest of the screws. And now we can tighten the bottom screw. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.